Hey guys, LechK here. Today, a quick unboxing and review of this Bauer pressure washer. And the only reason you see me doing this review right now, because my old one is breaking apart. I had this little Ryobi 1600 and the one is leaking, so basically this thing is useless unless I start replacing parts. And 1600 really wasn't enough power. My main purpose for this will be to get these fences cleaned. And to clean this with that 1600, you're working about an inch and a half at a time to get it removed. I'm hoping this 2300 will do a lot better job. And I went with the Bauer because it was a lot cheaper than the closest comparison Ryobi, which is only, I think, 2100 psi. I'll put links below to both so you can compare yourself and some specs. And this was probably $100 cheaper. So Harbor Freight, if you don't know where you get this at. And let's open it up and see how this thing performs. And here's just a quick peek at the specs that they offer. See what you get. I'm gonna put these together. Looks like they just snap right in, so that's simple. Got all the different nozzle heads, tank for if you're doing some washing, which we will be doing with the mean green over here. Heard good things about it, so I want to try it. Cord looks heavy duty, pretty long. I'll confirm the specs below. And we got a nice heavy duty hose. And one is supposed to be metal, which it is, which was a big plus. For me, as I mentioned, my other one cracked and is leaking now, but this all seems to be solid. So let's assemble it and get going. It should be simple, just a snap in. Snap. Nice huge wheels. Cover off their hose. Get a wrench to tighten this fully. And this is the turbo nozzle already installed. Should be a quick connect. Let's go. And the locks. This is to lock it so you don't accidentally press it. You can't actually lock it in place. You have to hold it down. I see the metal rod going all the way through, which is great. And that's basically it, all set up. To give you a quick start guide here, if you're interested. Power button, straightforward. Everything should be waterproof. Close up on the different nozzles. So the turbo one will probably most likely be the most popular, depending on what you're doing. For the car, I probably wouldn't recommend it. I'll show you guys clips on doing it on a few different surfaces. Soap dispenser, will be using that. It says this thing is 50 pounds, but I don't know about that. Maybe the whole package with the box. The extension power cord is 35 feet. Comes with the GFI switch, that's a must. Working with water. This hose is 25 feet. It takes 13 amps. Maximum flow rate is 1.2 gallons. 2300 psi max. We're gonna connect the water here in a minute. Get our soap in here. First, we're gonna try without the soap. And then it has 12-inch wheels for, you know, off-roading and stuff. So, you got a nice little bungee here to store your hose. That's cool. let's connect it and test it. And this is when it's ready for transport. You got a holder for your wand. Hose goes here, extension goes here, and you can roll it around. So that is very convenient actually. Store it right in your shed and good to go. This one was always a little pain to use. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is not really a comparison. This is a lot more affordable version for small jobs, so can't go wrong with that one either. All right, we got the water connected and it's on. Make sure you always do that with any power washer before you actually turn it on. Now we can turn it on. So now it says first time you want to run it for 30 seconds. We just to circulate the water through it and everything. So we're gonna do that. That's that. Cool. All right, let's test it out. So first I'm gonna try the turbo nozzle on this fence. As you guys can see, some nasty stuff on here. One thing I noticed here also gives you like kind of control here like this, and then don't forget about your safety lock so you don't accidentally discharge it. Well, let's go. So yeah, first thoughts, beast, especially when compared to the 1600. I mean, I would not be able to do that fast. And I was 4 or 5 inches away, working fine. When you're 2 or 3 inches away, it's really powerful. So yeah, that's this nozzle. Let's move on to the next. Let's go for the 15. See what this does. That's a flat one. Rotate as you need. Might be even better for this situation. And now let's do the 25. Really nice too. All right, let's put some soap in and see how it's gonna do with the soap, and test out this mean green stuff. Another cool thing about this, it's safe for your yards, it's safe for animals and so on. So what do you call it? It's biodegradable detergent, safe to use on your people, pets, and plants. So let's give this guy a go. So this mean green, they say you want to use about 4 ounces. Well, you want to use 4 ounces to 1 gallon. That's the recommended mix, 1 to 29. And I'm just going to estimate it. Fill this up with water and test it out. Little mistake I made. I should have put the water in first. We're gonna pop out our soap nozzle, the black plastic one, and just soak this thing and leave it on for 5 minutes, and then we'll power wash it after. So at this point, we should be about 5 minutes or so. Basically, don't want to let this stuff dry, but it seems to be looser already. Yeah. So let's hit it with the 15. Seems to be coming off maybe a little easier, but you still gotta, you know, really cover each area to get it all off. I'll finish this up and then I'll show you how to do some brick stuff, sidewalk that I have that's filthy, and oil and stuff, so we'll give it a go on that. And here we go. Can't complain. So this is the other section I want to clean. The walkway by my forge. It's all filthy from oil over here. So we'll soak it up and give it a good wash. The green tip, let's try the turbo. I already noticed with the brakes here, you gotta go closer. Oh yeah, turbo's the way to go for brakes. This oil covered section. It's a little tougher. We're gonna need probably more soap a couple times. So that's really it, guys. It does a good job. Seems to be solid. Been using it for an hour straight now, a little more, and no issues. One of the coolest features I really started liking is actually the holder here. You just twist it out and you just pop it right in like that. It makes it very convenient and just cool. And if anybody was wondering what this platform is for, I'm building a sauna here. This is a sauna stove and it's going to be a sauna and a gazebo. So check out the channel for videos on coming that soon. But any questions, comments about this power washer or others, feel free to share with me, others, ask questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, follow, and come back for more. Thank you.